Welcome back. Now, if you go back to the Audacity page, you're going to see that there are going to be areas where you can download for your specific system. Now, in this course, we're looking at the Windows system, but the process is the same with Mac and Linux. What you're going to notice on this page, if you scroll down past the downloads, is you're going to see optional downloads. And you're going to want to pay attention to two things in particular. One, the FFmpeg import-export library. And again, you may have noticed that in a previous video, if you had a previous version installed, that you'll need to make sure that this library is operational in the new software. What you can do is you can install the FFmpeg from this download page inside of Audacity. However, what you can also do if you had a previous version is to go to Edit, then Preferences. Once you open up Edit and Preferences, you're going to go to this Libraries. What you're then going to see is you're going to see that there's an FFmpeg library. Now, because we had the error message, FFmpeg library was not found, we're going to click this Download button. And that's going to take you back to the download page. So we're going to go to this download page for FFmpeg, and we are going to install the FFmpeg library. You are going to see a license agreement, which you are going to want to read. Once you have read it, you will then click Accept. You will then install the FFmpeg library. You'll then click Finish to exit the setup. You'll then need to come back to edit your preferences. You'll then want to locate the library where you installed it when you downloaded the software. Typically, Audacity will tell you that it's located your valid Mpeg libraries. You can choose to install them manually, or you can just click No in order for Audacity to complete the process. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.